Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll learn about a new or a very useful feature that many smartphones have recently rolled out, that is optimized charging of battery of your phone. So what exactly this optimized charging means? Well, many brands of phones such as OnePlus, Apple, Asus, etc. are proudly saying that their phone have this optimized charging facility. Well, what exactly is that then? Well, actually this optimized charging means that your phone will be charged up to 80%, and after 80% it will stop, and only when the phone feels that you will be unplugging the phone from the power socket just 100 minutes before, it will again start charging, so that it reaches somewhere around 100% before you unplug the phone. So actually the phone observes your cycle, your sleep cycle. For example, this is mainly because of, or to address the problem when you charge your phone before going to sleep. Before going to sleep, it happens so that you charge your phone continuously for 8 to 10 hours or 6 to 8 hours, and you forget before sleeping, you just forget to switch off the charger, and it happens that the phone gets charging till 6 to 8 hours. So it affects a lot on the battery longevity of your phone. So to address that problem, these manufacturers have optimized the charging. So the phone will charge till 80% and will stop, and the phone will observe you, like what is your sleeping cycle or waking up cycle, so that just before 100 minutes when the phone expects you, you will be waking up and you will be unplugging your charger from the socket. It will again start charging from that 80 or 75%, whatever amount of charge your phone would have at that point of time, it will again start charging till 100%. So this is how your phone will not be exposed to 7 to 8 hours long power or current, and which will also help you make your battery life of your phone last long. So this was one of the most sought after feature that many users of OnePlus wanted, and many other users of other popular brands have wanted. So it's now available in Apple, in Asus brands also, and most probably it will be available in most of the brands with time. So I'll show you in OnePlus phone how to enable that feature. So friends, as you can see, I'm using this OnePlus 7 phone. Here you can just go to your settings. Once you go, you can see there is something called battery. So once you click on this battery or hit this battery icon, you can see that there is something called optimized charging, which is switched on already. Optimized charging pattern according to usage habits to reduce battery load and to extend battery life. I'll switch it on, and when I start charging, I have put in the charger here, OnePlus charger in the phone. So once again I will tell you, just go to your settings in OnePlus. Here you will see something called battery. Once you hit this battery icon or battery symbol, you can see here there's something called optimized charging. You can switch on or switch off. I personally suggest that you switch on this optimized charging. It will help making your battery of your OnePlus or whatever phone where this facility is available last long, and it will in turn which will make your phone also last longer. These are flagship phones, so we don't want this phone not to perform or phone to be dead just because of battery. So friends, I hope you knew what is optimized charging, why it is so much popular, or what happens when you enable your optimized charging mode, and how to do that in OnePlus phone. I hope this video was quite useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video. Please share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this specific feature of smartphone these days, that is optimized charging. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So keep watching Infotainment. See you again in another video. Thank you.